Jasmy is a blockchain platform focused on providing information exchange and security services in the IoT era. Jasmy, as an organization, develops decentralized IoT platforms using a decentralized stockpiling organization. We have brought the price prediction of Jasmy Coin for you, so make sure that you watch the full video and leave a like if you find it interesting. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The link to our Instagram is in the description box. You can follow us there for some of the most interesting and amazing crypto content. Jasmy Coin Historical Value Analysis. According to the most recent data gathered, Jasmy Coin's continuing cost is $0.003, and as of right now, JASMY is ranked 126 overall in the cryptocurrency market. With a market capitalization of $159,393,773, Jasmy Coin has a flow supply of 46,299,999,999. The cryptocurrency's current value has decreased by minus 3.13% over the last 24 hours. If we compare JSMY's current business sector cap to yesterday's, we can notice that the market cap is also declining. The JSMY had a fantastic vertical trend during the previous 7 days and had increased by 19.35%. Jasmy Coin has demonstrated areas of strength in recent times, so this might be a good opportunity to jump in and contribute right now. In the past month, the price of JSMY has dropped by 14.596%, deducting an extraordinary average of $0.0005887 from its current value. This unexpected decline suggests that the coin is now in decline, suggesting that it may be a good investment and a chance for quick speculation. The cost course from a base usual cost of $0.006 to the most extreme normal cost of $0.006 in the next 90 days. The 90-day cost change is close to 45.01%. Now the question you might be asking is, how can I invest money in Jasmy Coin? Finding Jasmy Coin shouldn't be difficult as you are a new DeFi startup. Several cryptocurrency exchange platforms have recently been listed as Jasmy Coin for public trading. The leading cryptocurrency exchanges right now, assuming you want to buy Jasmy Coin, are Binance, KuCoin, Hotbit, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, WazirX, Bitfinex, Gate.io, MEXC, and Mandala Trade. By signing up on such platforms, you may easily add Jasmy Coin to your cryptocurrency portfolio. In addition to Jasmy Value Forecast, we could advise our readers to conduct the most thorough investigation possible before making any bets. Although Jasmy Coin appears to have just limited symbolic stock and local support, cryptocurrencies are a very unpredictable resource. Cryptocurrency prices fluctuate like thrill rides and may alter quickly. Before starting a crypto project, such as Jasmy Coin, it is essential to conduct a gambling analysis. Price prediction for Jasmy Coin, JASMY, in 2023. In some ways, Jasmy Coin is among the most astounding digital currencies to emerge this year, JASMY. The JASMY cost estimate for 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the last quarter of the year, which might reach $0.00583. The increase will be constant, much like with other digital forms of money, but no significant declines are typical. The average cost of $0.00488 is quite ambitious, yet it is soon achievable given anticipated collaboration and advancements. The base value of JSMY is meant to be $0.00447. How much will Jasmy Coin be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, the price of one Jasmy Coin will range between $0.027 at the base and $0.022 at the highest. JasmyCoin's value changes significantly since it is traded based on an organic market. What is the projected value of JasmyCoin in 2030? JasmyCoin has a remarkable potential to reach new heights in terms of value. It is predicted that JSMY's reputation will improve. According to business analysts and explicit professionals, JasmyCoin can create a stir in the community for $0.17 till 2030. How high might JasmyCoin ever rise? Before the current year is finished, the average price of JasmyCoin, JSMY, may drop to $0.005. If we estimate the 5-year plan, it is predicted that the coin will easily reach the $0.023 level. What will happen to JasmyCoin in the end? The overall perception of the cryptocurrency industry will have a significant impact on the future of JasmyCoin. You want to make sure that you are applying the proper strategy while investing resources in JSMY. An uneven gambling profile makes this kind of investment inappropriate. However, it's still a fantastic investment for people with a high risk tolerance and solid financial status. Despite its speculative nature, JSMY also provides access to global innovation and a dynamic environment. Is JasmyCoin, JSMY, a smart business move? JasmyCoin's value is expected to keep increasing because shortages often drive up prices. Please be aware that every venture involves some risk. Before making any decisions, just focus your efforts on what you can do and conduct the most thorough research imaginable. With all of that said, make sure to make a decision you won't regret later. Investing now would be the wisest decision of your life. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.